Hello friends, welcome to Mars Education. Today I'm going to give you the details of India's space programs, and also I'm going to give you the details about the launching of Chandrayaan 1 and 2. India initiated space research activities after the independence. In 1969, Indian Space Research Organization was formed with the objective of developing space technology and its application for different needs of the nation. India is focusing on the satellites for communication and remote sensing, space transportation systems, and application programs. The first ever satellite Aryabhata was launched in 1975. Since then, India has achieved a lot in space programs equal to that of the developed nations. Friends, do you know the meaning of Chandrayaan? Its meaning is moon vehicle. Our country launched a satellite Chandrayaan 1 on 22nd October 2008 to study about the moon. It was launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh, with the help of Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle rocket. It was put into the lunar orbit on 8th November 2008. The objectives of Chandrayaan 1 are to find the possibility of water on the moon, to find the elements of matter on the moon, to search for the existence of helium 3, to make a three-dimensional atlas of the moon, to study about the evaluation of the solar system. The spacecraft was orbiting around the moon at a height of 100 km from the lunar surface. It collected the chemical, the mineralogical, and the geological information about the moon. This mission was a major boost for the Indian space programs and helped to develop its own technology to explore the moon. Chandrayaan 1 was operated for 312 days and achieved 95% of its objectives. The scientists lost their communication with the spacecraft on 28 August 2009. On the successful completion of all the major objectives, the mission was concluded. The achievements of Chandrayaan 1 mission are the discovery of presence of water molecules in the lunar soil. Chandrayaan 1 confirmed that the moon was completely molten once. Chandrayaan 1 has recorded images of the landing site of the US spacecraft Apollo 15 and Apollo 11. It has provided high resolution spectral data on the mineralogy of the moon. The existence of aluminium, magnesium, and silicon were picked up by the X-ray camera. More than 40,000 images have been transmitted by the Chandrayaan 1 camera in 75 days. The acquired images of peaks and craters show that the moon mostly consists of craters. Chandrayaan 1 has discovered large caves on the lunar surface that can act as human shelter on the moon. Friends, now I am going to give you the details of Chandrayaan 2 and you are going to watch the video of launching of Chandrayaan 2. ISRO has launched a follow-on mission to Chandrayaan 1 named as Chandrayaan 2 on 22nd July 2019. Chandrayaan 2 mission is a highly complex mission compared to previous missions of ISRO. It brought together an orbiter, lander, and rover. It aims to explore south pole of the moon because the surface area of the south pole remains in shadow, much larger than that of north pole. Do you know what is orbiter, lander, and rover? The orbiter revolves around the moon and is capable of communicating with Indian Deep Space Network at Bilalu as well as Vikram lander. The lander is named as Vikram in the memory of Dr. Vikram A. Sarabhai, the father of Indian space program. The rover is a six-wheeled robotic vehicle named as Pragyan, that means wisdom. Chandrayaan-2 was successfully inserted into the lunar orbit on 20th August 2019. In the final stage of the mission, just 2.1 km above the lunar surface, lander Vikram lost its communication with the ground station on 7th September 2019. But the orbiter continues its work successfully. The Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. It is at a mean distance of about 384,400 km from the Earth. Its diameter is 3,474 km. It has no atmosphere of its own. It doesn't have its own light, but it reflects the sunlight. The time period of rotation of the Moon about its own axis is equal to the time period of revolution around the Earth. That's why we are always seeing its one side alone. The weight of the orbiter is 2,379 kg. The electric power generation capability of the orbiter is 1000 watts. The weight of the Vikram lander is 1471 kg. The electric power generation capability of Vikram lander is 650 watts. The weight of the rover Pragyan is 27 kg and the electric power generation capability of rover Pragyan is 50 watts. Thank you for watching, friends. Please like, share and comment, and also please subscribe my channel. Thank you.